What is intentional living? What if I told you that one lifestyle change could start to transform your life? I know that's a bold statement, but I've implemented several new habits into my life, and one in particular has been extremely effective. I'm so excited to share how I began my personal development journey, so make sure to stick around until the end when I'll share with you a powerful and effective tip you can use in your life starting today. Before I share that tip, I thought it would make sense to define what it means to live intentionally in the first place. Okay, let's jump right in. Hey guys, my name is Frank and I'm the creator of this channel. So with this video, my goal is just basically to get you to start thinking a little bit about your goals, maybe a little self-reflecting, and start envisioning what a future could look like if you started to live with a little bit more intention. Earlier today, I typed "what is intentional living" into Chat Gpt. I did it a few times and this is what you see in front of you now. I'm not going to read it verbatim, I'm just going to focus in on a few areas. So intentional living is a lifestyle approach. So when I read that right off the bat, I know routines and habits are going to be a big part of it, right? Conscious choices, so making different choices, better choices. If I want to live intentionally, I know, for example, with me, I've been wanting to lose weight. I've had some success, fell off track a little bit, back on track, and I know that living intentionally, and if I want to get healthy and more fit, I'm going to have to make better choices when it comes to diet and exercise, right? I'm going to have to incorporate that into my day, into my routine. What else do we have here? Goals is going to be a big part of living intentionally as well. You actively decide how you want to spend your time, energy, and resources. So time management is going to be really, really important. I'm going to share some tips, or one really important tip with you in a minute or so at the end. That was what I promised you in the beginning of the video. As far as energy and resources, also, what are we spending our money on, right? So that's something I've been more conscious of lately too. Just more mindful spending, right? And we're going to talk about that in future videos as well. So what else? Setting clear goals, prioritizing activities, right? Activities that align with our values. People who practice intentional living often focus on areas like personal growth. Their lives are fulfilling and aligned with what truly matters to them. It's about being proactive and deliberate rather than reactive and passive. So what I did is I wrote a few words down here that stuck out to me. Goals, right? So if I want to live intentionally, what goals am I setting? What goals do I want to reach? Are these decisions in alignment with how I want to live? Am I prioritizing? Am I creating better habits that are going to help me reach those goals? And how am I managing my time? Right. So these are like some of the key words that we're going to focus on in future videos, but they're key words also for living intentionally, right? So you want to live intentionally, we're going to need to focus on these areas of our lives. When I started the video, I promised you one tip I know can transform your life. Remember these words from the definition I read earlier? You actively decide how you want to spend your time. If you want to transform your life, you must learn to manage your time and start a morning routine. Time management skills, specifically an effective morning routine, will serve as the foundation for your personal development. I started to see success when I committed to better morning habits. The good news is it doesn't have to be perfect or very complicated to see results. I struggled with starting a routine. However, it wasn't until I committed to making my mornings more productive that I started to see tangible results. Some of the benefits for me have been finding time to exercise, read, journal, plan, and it puts me in the right frame of mind to start my day. I lost 50 pounds and I started this YouTube channel to serve others as a result of committing to a morning routine. What are some of your goals? I challenge you to start a morning routine of your own. If you want to learn how to start a morning routine and learn what resources I use to get started, check out the next video. I'll share a powerful resource to kickstart your intentional living journey.